that was a game. Guys, ooh, this is gonna be painful. You know, we just had our safety briefing right now. They just explained to us what are the to-dos and not to-dos. First rule, your mask. Never for any reason take your mask off, because your most precious and valuable things are these things right here, are your eyes. You gotta protect them at all time and all cost. And you've got a 10-meter distance is the shooting range. You don't go up close to someone and start, you know, dumping a clip. To be honest, I'm a bit nervous right now. I did this a long time ago. It hurts, and the worst hit is on the finger here. Like when you've got your hand on the trigger and you get a shot on it. That brings back memories. That brings back your childhood. That brings back, like, you know, when you fell off your bike and when everything. It's an experience. And yeah, we didn't go on the jet ski, but yes, today we have the one, the only. Mr. keeps smiling with us here. So what do you think?
Smile.
Smile, huh?
With pain.
Will you be smiling after this?
Smile with pain.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots.
I'll show you the flag.
We are ready. Here's the yellow against the red team. This is gonna hurt. So we're gonna play capture the flag. Ah, man. It's been a while since I did this. I can remember the pain. I can remember the pain.
روح عنهم روح عنهم شوفهم ما اشوفهم. وين؟
وانا هراويهم.
ها؟
وانا هراويهم. That hurt. That really hurt. And I got a headshot. Woo! Woo! That was a game. Yeah, let's check the next shot.
Come here.
The next shot. That's gonna bruise tomorrow. And the finger. Wait. You guys got it. We all did. We all did. I got a headshot. I'm still smiling, guys. He's still smiling. So I've got a message from my friend here.
Hello, good evening guys, how are you? Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe his YouTube channel, and the link you can find in the below please. Thank you so much.